Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do an Inktober drawing. I really love drawing in ink and I don't actually do it very often for saying how much I really love it. And I've been really inspired by all the Inktober drawings that I've seen so far. Hats off to all artists who do this every day, especially the artists that do the drawings and film them. Like, that to me is just wow. So today I thought I'd do something for Inktober, and let's begin. So thankfully, just see myself in the viewfinder. So thankfully I managed to capture that disaster on camera because that was a pretty epic fail. I'm not sure whether to laugh or cry at the moment, so I'm just laughing. Many people would say ruined. Part of mistakes is what makes it human. It's what makes it imperfect, and I'm going to go with that. So now there are quite a few pages that do have a black mark on, and I'm going to embrace it because it's a sketchbook at the end of the day, and that's what sketchbooks are for. I don't know whether to carry on with the painting or abandon. I think what I'm going to do is make a cup of tea and then maybe come back to it and try again. So here is my finished sketches or Inktobers, complete with splodge. I'm really happy with how they came out. It was really fun, and that was what was most important to me, is that I enjoyed doing them. The ink I was using was Winsor & Newton ink, and I am genuinely not sure what brand these gold paints are. There is no branding on them, which is kind of disappointing. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed watching that, even though there was kind of an epic fail with the ink. I just wanted to take part in Inktober this year because I feel like it is really taken on, and I'm really proud of what artists have achieved. To be trending on social media with Inktobers is really cool. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that video and that it was just a chill vibe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!